What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA has now made its world premiere at the Balocco test track in northern Italy. Yes, the world premiere is officially revealed in the new Alfa Romeo GTA, revive the automotive legend and a milestone in the brand's history. Now, this model represents the maximum expression of its unique ability to combine style and sportiness. The official debut could only take place at the former Auto Delta workshops in the Balocco Experimental Center, where the Giulia Sprint GTA was born in the 1960s, one of the most successful cars in the history of the Stellantis brand. Now, the development and testing of all Alfa Romeo cars take place in this evocative site built 60 years ago with 27 different circuits and a total of 80 kilometers. It is precisely here that journalists had the opportunity to test drive the new Giulia GTA and GTAm and then appreciate its road qualities in a panoramic external route. Now, the new Gran Turismo Aerodynamics can be recognized immediately thanks to an exclusive aesthetic and functional characterization, confirming that it is not an exercise in style, but a high-performance car derived from a production model, namely the Giulia Quadrifoglio. And thanks to the adoption of ultralight materials, the Giulia GTA weighs 100 kilograms less than the Quadrifoglio and is equipped with an enhanced version of the 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6. In this case, develops 540 horsepower. Now, with the launch mode system sprinting from 0 to 100 kilometers, it takes just 3.6 seconds. And Alfa Romeo engineers work to improve the aerodynamics and handling, above all reduce weight, as they did with the 65 Giulia GTA. And to achieve these goals, massive use has been made of carbon fiber components and composite materials. Now, the aerodynamics have been specifically designed to increase downforce. In this case, the technical know-how that comes directly from Formula One was exploited thanks to the synergy at Sauber Engineering. Now, among the most interesting dynamic features on the high-performance sedan, you'll find the appendages: the new rear spoiler, adjustable in 4 different positions in the case of the Giulia GTAm, and the active front splitter, removable for the use on the track for up to 40 millimeters on the GTAm. Now, the Krapovic central exhaust system in titanium integrated into the carbon fiber rear diffuser, the 20-inch single nut rims for the first time on a sedan have also been developed, paired with a specifically designed Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect tires. Now, the aerodynamic research in the wind tunnel was not limited to aerodynamic appendages, but also involved in the underbody, which was the subject of a dedicated development. Both the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA and GTAm benefit from this specific extractor, capable of increasing the ground effect of the car and therefore guaranteeing excellent road holding at high speeds. Now, on the modified Gran Turismo Aerodynamics, the more charged aerodynamic configuration is able to develop 3 times the load compared to the Giulia Quadrifoglio. Handling was also instead improved by widening the front tracks by 25 millimeters and the rear by 50 millimeters compared to the Quadrifoglio, and by developing a specific suspension setup with the double wishbone at the front, and you also have the independent multi-link at the rear. Now, for such an exclusive car, the Milanese car brand has created a wide range of customization aimed at making the shopping experience of the supercar pretty unique. As for the interiors, they're inspired by the world of racing. The full Alcantara upholstery on the dashboard, door panels, roof panels, side pillars, and central seat trim stand out. And the removal of the rear seats have left room for a fully lined tub in which there are specific moldings intended to accommodate helmets and fire extinguishers on the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTAm. Now, the latter also differs in the absence of the rear door panels and the openings of the front doors with pull loops instead of handles, and the new matte carbon inserts. Alfa Romeo has really delivered one of the great sport car saloons just as we begin the final chapter of the combustion engine. And in the not too distant future, merely seeing and hearing one of these covering ground quickly will be an emotional spectacle. For the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA, you're looking at a twin-turbo V6 8-speed auto with 540 horsepower, 443 pound-feet of torque, 3.8 seconds 0 to 62, and 186 mph top speed, with a weight of 1580 kgs STDA and 1605 kgs, 26 miles per gallon for the fuel consumption, and a price for the GTA at 176,500 euros, and for the GTAm, 181,500 euros. So with that said, what do you guys think about the final premiere after all this time talking about the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA and GTAm. This is it revealed. The embargoes have been lifted. This is going to be amazing. Let me know down in the comments below, what do you guys think about the full premiere? And if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a thumbs up will help get it up in rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on the full reveal of the Alfa Romeo Giulia GTA. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below, where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple of extra dollars to the channel, help support your boy. You can also help support by checking out the Patreon, being a monthly subscriber, or checking out the Ron's Rides merch, in case you guys want to get a t-shirt, stickers, hoodies, everything Ron's Rides. Now, I am on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo, that doesn't always make it here to the channel. And make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.